Hey, this is Fred Johnson for Air Rail Images. We're at the Nevada Northern Railway in Ely, Nevada. Number 81, the 280, is about to leave the yards. Take a look.
It takes time to build a head of steam in locomotive number 81 at the Nevada Northern Engine House. SD9 diesel number 250 sports a commemorative paint salute to the 250th anniversary of the United States. From the firebox of number 81, simmering flame and glowing coals bring life to the steam locomotive. The railroad's 1907 wooden-sheathed steam rotary snowplow rests under shafts of smoke-filtered light that shape the quiet and enveloping antiquity of the place. Sheltered in the vintage industrial cathedral hall of the engine house, steam locomotive 81 shares space with another 280, number 93, and the celebrated 460, number 40, stripped back to a bare boiler for a major rebuild that will allow it to be the third active steamer on the Ely line. A recently acquired Brill rail car is in for maintenance at the stall beside number 81. Vintage yellow Kennecott Copper diesels enjoy protection from the elements as each year lengthens their historical pedigree along with the steamers. If you visited the Nevada Northern, you know how evocative this place is. If you haven't made the trip yet, let this ambient video show you why we visit as often as possible.